Hi guys, in this tutorial I want to show you how to download and install Gemma for models 26 billion, okay, using the LM Studio. As you can see here, it works fine, it works offline and locally. Okay, let's go. Okay, first thing first, go here to Chrome. After that, search for LM Studio. Okay, before we install the LM Studio, you have to download it and install Gemma for. Okay, download for Windows. Click this button and the downloading is began. Okay, downloading is finished. Let's go here to this folder and double click here to install the LM Studio. Agree. Okay, only for me, anyone who uses this computer. Next. Yes. Agree. Okay. Okay, the installation is begin. This LM Studio allows you to download and use AI models locally and privately using your PC. You can use ChatGPT locally with the internet, Queen 3, Gemma 3, or Gemma 4, DeepSeek, and other types of AI models. Okay, let's minimize this one. Okay, as you can see, the installation of the LM Studio is finished. And take this one, hit finish, and go right here, run as administrator. Okay, this is the interface of your LM Studio. Get started. It's updating LLM catalog. Okay, for us, we have to use, I want to use the Gemma 4, not the Gemma 3. Okay, skip for now. Developer more accept as fans setting at developer Fox Future. Enable this one. Okay. Remote instance. Okay. I think it's fine. Okay, now let's press this button, select model, and search for Gemma 4. Okay, this is the final version of the Gemma. There is a lot of version. This one Gemma 4 26 billion instruction. This is the you can download this one 4K model or 6K model or 8K model. For us, this is the new model. Okay, let's choose this one 4K and hit download, and the downloading is begin. Okay, let's press this X button and let's go right here. Okay, the LM Studio is downloaded to files, the LMA CCP for NVIDIA code, and this one. Okay, pause the video right now and return when the downloading is finished. As you can see, guys, downloading is of Gemma 4 26 billion is finished. Okay, now you have to load this model from here. Click load, or you can press right here and choose my model, this one, or from this, choose as you want. Okay, let's choose this one. As you can see, it's loading right now. Now, let's close the internet and use this model. Let's see. Okay, as you can see, we have turned off the Wi-Fi right now. Now let's go here to my model and search anyone. Okay, I want, for example, to create a Netflix clone. Okay, create Netflix clone website using Next.js, TypeScript, Tailwind, CSS. Okay, before you run it, we have to see I have to launch the task manager and see the uses of the RAM, CPU, and the VRAM. Okay, as you can see, this uses actually we have to use the 20. Why it uses this? Because we launched this program. Okay, let's launch it and let's see. Okay, look at this. The memory of the RAM, it used around 25 gigabytes of RAM. For the GPU, it uses around 11 gigabytes. Okay, now it's still thinking. Okay, let's close it and let's launch it and let's see if you have the same value or not. Okay, it's the same. Okay, as you can see, 26 gigabytes of RAM. The CPU it uses 50% of the memory, 3.6 gigabytes. For the VRAM, it uses this utilization of the VRAM 27%. Okay, this is steps to use to create this clone, Netflix, project structure, and other things. Okay, guys, this is all for this tutorial. See you later on the next tutorial.